Want to know how to save a job in well-found or AngelList? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website, which is not AngelList since it has been renamed. So once you've opened it up, you should be seeing this interface right here. So on the leftmost side, you should be seeing various options. So you can either be under home or jobs. The choice is yours. So in this video, I am under home, and right under home, you should also be seeing recommended jobs. So you can just simply scroll down, and once you scroll down here, you should be seeing various recommended jobs that you can choose from. So you can also see more jobs to find more. And now saving a job is super simple. As you can see right here, your job description is given up, and right beside it, you should be seeing save. So you can just simply select that, or you can just simply open the job more and then simply select save again, and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.